अभी सुबह के 12 बज रहे हैं, दोपहर के 12 एंड मैं रात को एडिट कर रही थी इसलिए मैं उठने में लेट हो गई. द कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन राइट नाउ इज़ कि अभी मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं बिकॉज माई मॉम इज़ नॉट वेल. शी इज़ डाउन विद टाइफॉइड फ्रॉम पास्ट 10 days एंड इसलिए भी ज़्यादा कुछ मैं शूट कर नहीं पाई हूँ. सो या लेट्स स्टार्ट.
See me as your enemy or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me and I will understand. Now and then used to be your future, now you see me as your end. When you're hiding, we're colliding. Better be and stop pretend. I was silent, you were blind. Better leave those fears behind. If you're still bleeding, see me as a friend. You won't believe me, and I will understand. Now and then now and then you won't believe me, won't be an end. I know you're done, ignored and gone, but I'm around.
मैंने सोचा जब तक कपड़े धुल रहे हैं तब तक मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट भी बना लेना चाहिए. एंड फॉर संडे माय संडे स्टेपल ब्रेकफास्ट ब्रंच वट एवर यू कॉल इट इज़ अंडे, eggs and bread and chai. I don't know why. I just realized that I eat this particular breakfast on Sunday, like every Sunday. So let me know how many of you also eat Sunday ko ande. You know, Sunday ande. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so sorry, guys. Also, right before I was about to show you how I make the best eggs of your life, just my camera died and I couldn't show you. So yeah, here is the clip of my cooked eggs. चाय भी बन चुकी थी एंड मेरे कपड़े भी धुल के निकल चुके थे, तो मतलब धुल चुके थे, निकालने तो मुझे ही थे. सो या enjoy this fast forward me washing my clothes.
If you see light in fighting me.
I was just about to get done with the laundry, मतलब बस ख़त्म ही होने वाला था तो मेरा ड्रायर ख़राब हो गया.
I'm finally done with all kapda, bartan latta, and I am literally looking like a bai. संडे इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म क्यों हो जाता है यार. और जब से मैं ये ऑफिस घर के काम कर रही हूँ तब से मुझे छुट्टी पता ही नहीं चल रही है कि छुट्टी जा कहाँ रही है. एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीज़न आई थिंक आई डोंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड, बिकॉज शादी के बाद तो आई फील यही लाइफ है. Though it's a adult responsibility, I don't know. Like तुम्हें नहीं लगता छुट्टी बहुत जल्दी से जुप करके उड़ जाती है और पता भी नहीं चलता. Tell me if I'm not alone here. However, Sunday is like no matter कितनी ही आंधी तूफान बारिश बाढ़ ना आ रही हो, I will not skip my skincare. like that's the only thing which I look forward to. Like weekend where I know I'll take care of myself, and you can see I'm getting a lot of acne because trust me guys, last 2 weeks से जो मेरी बैंड बजी पड़ी है ना, I have no idea. Like मैं बस सो रही हूँ, उठती हूँ, काम करती हूँ and just I sleep. मेरे को like I don't have the time to process things. इतना ज़्यादा burden हो गया है अभी, because you guys know that my office shifts are not normal office shifts. So without wasting further time, I'll quickly tell you about my weekend skincare rituals. Sometimes जब मेरे संडेज बहुत फ्री रहते हैं तो मैं एक डिटेल्ड स्किन केयर सेशन थेरेपी वगैरह करती हूँ, लेकिन जब मेरे पास बहुत ऐसे क्रंच टाइम होता है, 5 बजे के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि संडे बीत ही गया है, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. So what I do, I use this Mamaearth का Ubtan face wash, and I have made a video before as well. You can go and check out that one. So Mamaearth Ubtan face wash is made up with turmeric and saffron, which is good for your tan removal. And I am not talking about being gora here. I'm talking about your tan removal because summers are here, guys. It is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin type, and the net content is 100 ml for rupees 249. I really like this range of Mamaearth a lot. I'm gonna use this today, so I'll share my before and after with you. So yeah, just give me a minute.
So Mamaearth consists goodness of turmeric, apricot and saffron, which helps you to remove the tan and give healthy, supple, glowing skin. All Mamaearth products are toxin free, and on top of it, Mamaearth is an Indian brand, which I believe is such a nice thing. Guys, like, go vocal for local. And also they are plastic positive brand. They do their bit for the environment. Every time you shop from them, they plant a tree and they send you the exact geolocation, pictures and the species of the tree they are planting. And if you want to use my code for shopping from them, you can use TAKU2021 for 20% discount, guys. You can order your skin essentials from Mamaearth. They are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and their own website and app. So yeah, go ahead and shop. Now let's talk about the goodness report. The goodness report card shows the impact of their good action. Mamaearth has planted more than 1 lakh trees. 1,135 metric ton of plastic has been recycled, which is like 1 metric ton is equals to 1,000 kilograms. Then 50,000 sanitizer and 20,000 cloth masks was distributed to the COVID heroes.
And that's it. That's how my skin is glowing. I really like the after effect. Like my skin is actually glowing. Actually ना, जो मैं उपटन घर पे बनाती हूँ ना बेसन से, वो थोड़ा सा ना दरदरा होता है. If like उसका जो texture होता है वो that can hurt my pimples. तो कभी कभी जब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्ने होते हैं, जैसे अभी हो रहे हैं, तो मैं अवॉइड करती हूँ यूज़ करना. तो अभी के लिए आई थिंक दिस वन वॉज गुड. लाइक आई लाइक Ubtan फेस वॉश यार. आई थिंक आई एम लाइक इसके बाद मैं दोबारा ऑर्डर करूँगी इसको. दिस इज़ नाइस. So Mamaearth recently launched their app. So if you want to order yourself Ubtan face wash or Ubtan mask or both, you can order it. The link will be in the description box. You can check out from there. And yeah. संडे कितनी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है यार. एंड संडे को ना मुझे लगता है कि संडे ख़त्म होने से ज़्यादा मंडे आने का दुख ज़्यादा होता है. कैन यू फील मी होमीज?
I am just done watching TVF का aspirant जो series था. I think social media FOMO is a real one. Everybody was talking about aspirants and सब उसके quotes वगैरह share कर रहे थे and I was like मैंने नहीं देखा यार ये. So instead of editing, I spent good 5 hours watching this series and it's almost bedtime. So I'm gonna take quick shower क्योंकि आज मैं नहाई नहीं हूँ. So सोने से पहले I'll take a quick shower and I'll see if I can जल्दी से edit something for about 1 hour. I don't know.
And still today you will not pretend you won't believe me, and I will understand now.
Hi people. So I was editing this video I was making and I was thinking कि it's not happening. So why would anybody... एक second, मेरे चश्मे में मेरा कैमरा दिख रहा है. Not liking it. Maybe what? Yeah, so I was editing this video and I found this video not very something exciting or something luxurious or something, how should I say this, like something the internet would appreciate. And yeah, I am having second thoughts of uploading this because I feel we are bound to only share the happy moments. Nobody wants to see the ordinary life, but yeah, I think I am overthinking or I am judging my content a lot nowadays. पहले मैं कुछ भी डाल देती थी. Now I feel this pressure कि नहीं, it should be entertaining or it should be this or it should be that. I don't know why am I doing this. Also, I want to talk about 2 things. Stay safe guys, stay safe. Like stay safe, that's the only thing I can tell you. I will not cry, but I was very scared for my mother and she was ill for about 10 days and मेरी तो मतलब फट गई थी, like literally फट गई थी. And my father is also out of town, so yeah, me and my sister were very scared and my sister also got fever and we were like fuck. But thankfully it was typhoid and I can't imagine people getting diagnosed or positive for COVID right now in this situation. मुझे एक चीज़ जो realize हुई, like अभी 2 हफ्ता पहले तक I was not, like I was very chill and I was not thinking this way, but we take our parents for granted so much. I feel हाँ ठीक है, चल रहा है, but we don't take a moment and pause and be like wow, we are blessed to have them around. And when my mother fell sick, I had this realization that weird realization. Really sorry for somebody's loss. Like if somebody has lost someone special in this pandemic, I'm really sorry. This vlog is not very something super duper entertaining or something which we all want to see, like which I generally upload, like hasta gata phase of mine. But I feel to have normal days like these are also a blessing. Now I feel like having a normal day, and it's okay to have a normal day, or if it's okay to have a very chilled out Sunday which does not have something exciting, which does not have something, you know what I mean, like अगर कुछ ऐसा तड़कता भड़कता एलिमेंट नहीं भी है, अगर it's okay, it's totally fine. एंड मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत बॉदर करती है कि हम लोग सिर्फ अपने अच्छे डेज़ ही शेयर क्यों करते हैं इंटरनेट पे. वाई डोंट वी लेट पीपल सी दैट वी ऑल्सो सफ़र, वी ऑल्सो फेल सिक, वी ऑल्सो, why we are bound to share only the positive, happy, chirpy side of ourselves? Why we are not allowed to be equally miserable and, you know, the other side of our personality, when we are just normal, we are not the entertaining content creators or anything of that sort. I think this pandemic again is fucking up with my mental health. And yeah, I think it's I don't know, I have no idea what I'm talking about. I can't even say that let me know if you need anything, because apparently everybody is as helpless. But I'm trying that मेरे पास जो भी leads या जो भी information आ रही है I forward, but again I have office full time, तो मैं 24 घंटे उसको verify नहीं कर पाती हूँ कि whether it is verified lead or not. So even if I'm forwarding some information to you via Instagram, please cross verify आगे पास करने से पहले if you have time. One thing which I realized that my mother was sick for like 5-6 days, and we were very very sure that she has COVID or something, and then she was diagnosed with typhoid, which was like, thank God. So even if your family member is sick, tired, feeling like kamzor or something, so do not think कि first obviously अभी तो यही आएगा दिमाग में कोविड, बट डू गेट योर प्रॉपर टेस्ट डन. एंड या आई एम सॉरी अगर आज का व्लॉग आपको बहुत ही बोरिंग लगा हो, तो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, राइट? अप्स एंड डाउन्स. सो थोड़ा सा डाउन चल रहा है अभी. ओके, नाउ आई हैव टू स्लीप, आई हैव ऑफिस टुमारो. सो या, बाय गाइस, टेक केयर, बाय.